Hello and welcome to today's DAX analysis video. If you haven't got the cam level script yet and you want to be able to apply your own levels to your own MT4 or 5 charts, there is a link in the description where you can go and subscribe and get the scripts and the codes and EA's algorithms that I produce and get that on your charts for yourself. Today we're looking at the S3 in particular. We've got a couple of potential targets and a few key points to note that are really important for today. We're looking at potentially opening outside of these levels altogether, which often means that we're going to see a spike up towards the previous day's low and close, and perhaps even higher up to the R1 and beyond. On the flip side, the market is falling at the moment and we could continue lower. There could be other inspiration in the market that people are selling off their assets, and there's bigger things aside from the analysis that we do here on the cam levels. It's always important to consider the opposite direction of trade. The next thing I want to look at is we're very close to reaching a big round number, the 18,000 price point, and we haven't hit it yet. So I'm just going to go to the daily and have a quick look at the pricing there. We haven't hit it yet, and I think that there is a good chance that we're going to go and hit that at some point. At the moment, for some of my trading, I am building into a position long, and I guess my stops are around this level here, down below the previous S1 and breakout short from the Friday, because that will hopefully provide some sort of support for the trading positions. And we've got about, at the time of this video, we've got about 2 hours and a half before the market opens. So I'm building into a position long now, aiming for either the low, the close, or even the R1, depending on how quickly the market moves, the volatility, and how inspired people are to buy at that opening price. If we get a really sharp spike into a particular level and we start seeing that fade away, I'll be looking to jump out. And if it does start falling very sharply, I'll also be quite concerned and be looking to exit as well. Building into a position, remember your risk management, guys. It's really important not to try and make millions overnight. This is a long-term game, and if you're going to learn the skills that are required to trade consistently long-term, you're really going to want to use these skills long-term rather than just make a big win and feel like you got lucky and then never be able to do it again. You want to be able to produce a repeatable result, and this situation here right now is very thin pivot point levels compared to recent prices. On the Friday it was very spread out, as you can see, whereas this is very thin, and we're looking to open outside of this S3. It'll give us a good propulsion up to at least the low, hopefully. But if we do start to see some selling coming in, I will be looking to get out, even perhaps before that, around the breakout short in S1. So it's really about watching what's going on in the charts, getting a feel for the price points, and watching what the market is doing. So you can only trade the market, but this particular setup is quite a good one. It has good potential to go long, but at the same time, if we go and look at a daily, we've had a couple of up days, we've hit a high, and we've had a really strong sell-off on the Friday, and we're at the moment continuing down from that. So there is every chance the market will want to sell off further, but based on the pivot points alone, I am looking to build into that and go long. So we'll see what happens. You've got to always be cautious, and of course this isn't trading advice. Full risk disclosure, it's not any sort of advice. Obviously go and do your own research and learn. I'm just sharing my insights as to what I'm looking at. Remember to go and sign up for the algorithm pack that we've got so that you can get these levels on your charts and your prop firm charts and all of that across your different brokerage firms, and happy trading. If you enjoyed this video or took something positive from it, please hit the like button below. It lets me know this is helping others. To see more great content like this, please subscribe, hit the bell icon, and stay updated with the latest.